doesn't really matter how old your house is. It's more dependent on the constructability of your house's foundation. You can have a 100-year-old home and your foundation can have rebar and good concrete and still look good. And we can do foundation repair on that all day, just like we can on a newer home. But if you have an older home or even a newer home that has, like, let's say a river rock foundation, we're not really going to be able to do much in regards to foundation repair with like the pier systems, but we would be able to do more so in regards to like a complete footing R&R, removing and replacing it and getting you back squared away with a current standard or current coded footing for your home. So the age of the home really doesn't matter. Obviously, some of the older homes are going to have different construction styles, but for the most part, we can fix any home as long as the foundation is still stable and able to do so.